Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Sites to create a website. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open up the Google Sites official website in your web browser. So once you log into your account and get access to its dashboard, you can see so many options like portfolios, events, and help centers. After that, you can tap on the Portfolio Sites option. Then, enter the name of your portfolio. You can edit it accordingly, add pages about, homepage, and everything you want. Also, you can add content blocks from the following options. From here, you need to choose any of the following options from the Insert section. You can add a collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, spacer, social links, placeholders, and YouTube options from here. If you want to upload the images, you can add them as well. Simply click on the image icon and choose to upload the photo or media you want to add. Then, tap on the text box option and place it anywhere on your portfolio. You can enter anything you want and select the text and make it bold, italic, underlined, and all. Now head to the navigation bar and click on the Pages option from here. You can add the Home, About, and Project pages from here. So let's add an About page right here. Give it a heading and you can place it anywhere on the page. Then click on the image from here and you can crop the image. Adjust its size, copy the link or delete it. But if you click on the three dots, you will find some options such as Replace Image, Alt Text, and Add Caption. Also, you can choose different themes for your portfolio. Once you are done with everything, click to publish it. To publish your portfolio, enter your web address and publish it. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.